Greetings! Itong mga Marcoses, let me tell you, since they came around once again, from long exile and back here to the most beloved Philippines, may mga Swarovski at saka mga striving efforts to win back what they lost. Thanks God at naibalik na at nailagay na sa dapat kalagyan ang bangkay ng Pangulo. National forgiveness is really the need of us to move on fast forward. Grudges kasi ang umahatak sa tao pababa. Ngunit think about it. Kapag ang tao ay dumaan sa butas ng karayom like that of Marcoses at kanilang napagtagumpayan, aba, exceptional ang talino mo. Only in the Philippines going back to supremacy. Pinagdaanan na ito ng mga Marcoses, kaya ang prime focus na lang niya ay to move fast forward. At saka, national forgiveness is really the need of us. Kaya nga, sa Christian teachings, gayahin natin si Kristo with unconditional love. Si Marcos walang anumang dapat banta laban sa kanya na maigugupo siya. Tulad niya ay si David na maraming beses pinagtangkang paslangin ni Saul. Pero protected siya ng Holy Spirit. Kaya with or without the sword of father and daughter tandem, Marcos is confident and will always be confident for the rest of 3 more years in his office. That's all, and thank you. Okay na?
Tapos na?
Pero hindi ko